Hi everyone, let's talk about customizing studios in Affinity. Affinity has three main studios that replace the previous apps. Factor, which is Affinity Designer, similar to Adobe Illustrator. Pixel, which is Affinity Photo, similar to Photoshop. And Layout, which is Affinity Publisher, similar to Adobe InDesign. We can also click the three dots button here to turn the other ones on and off. Now, how if we can change the name of the studios to make them a bit personal and unique? So what we can do is right-click on the studio buttons, let's say Factor, and choose Edit Factor Studio. We can rename it, maybe change into Illustrator, or just V, taking from the initial of Factor. We can also change the icon by selecting on the available ones here. Change the color, or you can upload your own icon to make it more personal. I got an icon here in transparent PNG. So what we can do is, we can just drag the icon onto here and it will replace the one before. We can also change the description, but I'll just leave it as is. Click update and there we go. The new studio button is already up. We can also customize it further by making it icon only, which change them to display only the icons. Or auto, which shows icon and text when active and icon only when inactive. Now we can go ahead and change the rest of the buttons. That's all for now, and as always, thanks for watching.